Yash will be talking about a new version of Jet Engine. If you have watched my part 2 and part 3, you'll probably be understanding it. This video is seeing it again so you can understand it better with my explanation. Thank you. These pictures are for you to understand better how the jet engine might work. So, as Newton's third law says that any object with a momentum, so any that sucks in and shoots it out like that, and then which pushes the whole thing. If it had wheels, it would have gotten pushed like that. So, what the next slide? Right? How it exactly works. So this you see is is this so first 700 tons of unsqueezed air. So this is 700 tons of unsqueezed air. So then the fan, some of it moves the fan while the other part gets reflected in and gets squeezed from the size of a 9 foot 8 9 foot 10 foot 9 floor, and then it gets squashed to the smallest microorganism size possible. Now virus, then it just got so compressed it can almost break steel or something like that, and then it's immediately turned into it's immediately got a small hole with a big funnel with a big bung. So then it gets shot out like that. So so is the so this is how it mostly works. And do you like it? Thank you. But it's not done. It's almost done. Simulation and fire spice. Okay, Mama. Please subscribe to Formulation and Fire Spice. Thank you.